Utah, one of my very favorite towns in all of the world. To get to Timber Lakes, you'll go east on Center Street for a few miles. Hello and welcome to our mountain home in Timber Lakes, Utah. We're just above Heber. This is a wonderful location because you've got great access to Salt Lake, Park City. We're just down the hill. You've got Jordanelle Reservoir, Deer Creek Reservoir, Strawberry Reservoir. Bring your boat, your fishing boat or your jet boat, it doesn't matter. We've got plenty of parking on our property. In fact, here's 2 slips of parking because we have a walkout basement. You'll see an entrance right there. We're up here in the mountains, surrounded by these gorgeous aspen and pine trees. You know, Utah has so much to offer. We've got the red rocks, we've got lush forests and everything in between. Timber Lakes is a wonderful year-round community. They do an amazing job of plowing all the way to our driveway. We've never had a problem getting to our cabin at all. The association is very well run. There is security here in Timber Lakes. It's a private community. And this home is really built for entertaining. We have about 3,600 square feet inside, but I'm going to show you several hundred square feet of decking, covered decking that you can enjoy. It's a wonderful place for wildlife. We have moose that visit us frequently. We've even had a black bear. Of course, we've got lots of deer. They like to hang out under the front porch. Lots of critters. It's just a gorgeous day today. Look at the aspen leaves shimmering in the breeze, blue skies. Okay, as I mentioned, plenty of parking, right? We've got the carport for our UTV, because you never know when you live up here in Timber Lakes, if you just want to get out up the road, take a ride, go visit all the many little ponds and lakes that we have up here. And that's what's so fun, by the way, about Timber Lakes, is this is a year-round destination. In the wintertime, my kids love to go sledding. They'll be out all day long. In the summertime, we keep our kayaks and our paddle boards up here. Fall colors are spectacular. This is a 25 by 25 foot structure. I want to park my car in here today so that you can see how much extra depth you still have here. We have really wired this garage up. You can see all that electrical run. We've got a 220. We've got plenty of lighting in here. Now, another area that'd be fun to sort of develop a little bit more is this great big loft area. You can use it for storage, or you could finish it off into another bunkhouse, let the kids come out here and sleep. It's big, a lot of good space up here. Now, you're on 1.2 acres. Here's the back of our property. There is a seasonal stream that runs back there. It feeds a big pond, which is common area right out the back. So if you go down that little path, you'll connect with a hiking trail that takes you all the way around that pond. There's benches to stop and rest, even a picnic table. I think this is one of the best spots in the whole community. I really do. So there's a view of one of those covered decks I was talking about. Here's the back of the property. Such great privacy. Now we got plenty of electrical. So if you want to add a hot tub or even a sauna out here, you can totally do that. Here's a glimpse of that low to no maintenance hardy board exterior that we chose. Got the hardy board exterior, but we also have this Trex decking. So we try to make this as, low maintenance as possible. You don't want to come up here and do projects and work. All right. Here is our big gathering place. This has 18 to 20 foot vaulted ceilings, pretty spectacular look. We wanted to get some oversized, comfortable furniture. We spend a lot of time here entertaining family and friends. Now you'll see that we've chosen a luxury vinyl plank because we have a lot of kids that come in with wet boots, and this has really handled any of that moisture very, very well. I love the fireplace here. We've got this brick tile surround. That is a piece of quartz for the hearth, reclaimed wood for the mantle. Speaking of reclaimed wood, we're so lucky to have found all of this reclaimed wood that comes from a barn in Pleasant Grove, Utah. And it had this blue paint. So it's just aged perfectly. We didn't have to do anything with it. We were so careful to use it sparingly. I love this custom detail in that railing, by the way. And then you've got all of these elements up here. Okay, you're gonna love this kitchen. This is a quarter-sawn oak kitchen. When you open and close these doors and drawers, it's like swinging a tree. I mean, this is wood, right? None of that soft, knotty alder stuff. And there's so much cabinetry. You can see it all the way along the island there. Look at the cool details that we've done here. I mean, our cabinet guy is an artist, he's an artisan. And just the amount of cabinets is just stunning in here. Now, we did do a two-tone on this, so you've got this darker gray look on the island and then this natural look on the rest of the kitchen. We do have a granite top here. Look at all the prep space. Got outlets for all of your kitchen gadgets. And then over on this side, we've got quartz. And we've got a farm-style sink, which is awesome. If you have to do dishes, that's not a bad view. Every time you look out the windows, it's just so pleasant. It's like a piece of art. Now, I want you to, hopefully you can see, there's just the tigering that you get in this quarter-sawn oak. The grain is, it's just stunning. Love it. Can't say enough about it. Gas stove here. And I gotta highlight this awesome crown molding, right? Okay, we've got dormers for natural light here. So important. Got a big dining room, right? Now, this is a small table for this particular, the dimensions of this dining room. You could have something much larger, but you've got 8 at the table, 6 at the bar, which is awesome. And then guess what? We're mostly, during the summer months, eating out here on this covered deck. And this is the place to be. Now, I wanted to just emphasize really quickly, this is a real stone chimney, and it just goes so high up in the sky. It's just such a neat look when you're coming up the driveway. All right, awesome area to hang out. Great views, can't get better than that. Beautiful day. All right. There's a shot up into the loft. Coat closet. Here's a place for you to sit down and take your shoes off. Our modest library, right? Okay, we have a smart thermostat here. Every floor has its own thermostat. We have the furnace zoned out. Okay, we have bedroom on the main floor here. This is a king-size bed, lots of natural light. Here we go, some shiplap elements. Very cool, distinct door styles here. I love the black hardware. It sets it off. All right, guys. Here's the hall bathroom. Very tall vanity, granite, Kohler sinks, really unique faucets. Love those. And then I've got that curtain pulled back so you can see all the tile work that goes to the ceiling. It's really nice. Spent a lot of money doing that. Here's your master bedroom, king size bed. And then we have a master bathroom and a barn door that separates it. There's awesome tile. So fun. Here's some more of that beautiful quarter-sawn oak. The brass elements are awesome. And then this is a custom shower. The tile work in here is amazing. Euro style glass doors, double heads. That is probably 4.5 by 5.5. That's how big that shower is. Truly amazing. And of course we've got our master closet. So love spending time in the master suite. I'm gonna take you downstairs. How's that? They love playing ping pong. Now I mentioned this has a separate entrance. I like that. You know, it's very common for us to have 2 or 3 or 4 families up here at one time. There's parking, as I mentioned. All right, we have a coat closet. All right, now we have a full second kitchen down here. And we went a little crazy with the paint colors, but I absolutely love it. Hope you guys do too. Nice appliance package. And then here's our family room. We transition from the LVP onto carpet. Big comfortable couches, big TV, some dining area right here. You know, the second kitchen has been so handy when we have a big group. We're cooking a lot of stuff. Think Thanksgiving, Christmas dinners. You need that extra oven there, extra microwave, extra prep space, extra refrigerator. Hall bedroom here. This is a full-size bed. We have a crib in here, which is nice. Big, deep window wells. You can see that we've got a ladder to get out if you ever needed to. Here's the other bedroom here in the basement. Queen size bed. Now these closets are all organized with carpentry. So you've got shelving in there. Just want to highlight our trim. We've really spared no expense. This place is top notch. Here's our hall bathroom in the basement. Cabinets match the kitchen. We do have another quartz top down here. Kohler sink. And then you'll see that we've got tile all the way to the ceiling as well. Now, this is our mechanical room. We do have a washer and dryer. Excuse me. Timberlakes requires a fire suppression system here, so we've got that throughout the house. Our furnace is humming along today. We chose to go with a tankless water heater, which has been brilliant because we don't want to pay to heat the water as we're not here full time all the time. Okay, let's take you upstairs. That's the front door again. Now the upstairs is all about the kids. We've got this great loft for them to play around in. Game tables, place for the toys. Very secure railing. Great view. Everything below. All right, these beams are so fun. More play area there. Now, love these custom barn doors. They're very heavy. They're very well built. And I just love, love, love the way that they shut this whole bunkhouse off. The adults stay up and party, the kids go to sleep. Now we've got these built-in bunk beds. Awesome railing, awesome ladder systems. Little bookshelf in there, little toy bin. This is my favorite bed. The view is awesome. Love that. We've got some fans that circulate the air. 2 more bunk beds. On this covered deck. Great place to sit down and have a conversation. It's nice and cool in here. So that's our mountain home. We love it up here. We know you will too. If you want a private tour, give us a call or call the agent that gave you this video tour. We'll get you right through. Have a great day.